How to use multiple Apple ID on same phone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open settings and then tap on the sign into your phone option on top and further enter your main Apple ID. This account will control things like iCloud backup, contacts, photos, and Find My iPhone. Now to use a different Apple ID, open settings and then tap on media and purchases. Further, tap on the sign out option you see there and then sign in with your second Apple ID in here, and now apps will download from the second account. So open App Store and tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen and then scroll down and then tap on sign out. Further, enter your second Apple account, and with this you will be signed into the second Apple ID. So Apple ID 1 will use iCloud, that is backup for photos or contacts, and Apple ID 2 will be used for App Store purchases and apps. So this was about how you can use multiple Apple ID on same iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.